They're looking for stage victories then, the team of Kofidis, onto this 6% gradient at 17 kilometres an hour, just topping up to 20 as we continue with our four-rider breakaway, trying to get themselves as far away from this peloton as possible, but they're not being given any time. The pace now of UAE as they really ramp this up. Wellens looking for the point on offer, and Wellens is going to secure it, which means that he is firmly now in the polka dots with 4 points.
Oh, big crash.
Massive crash of riders. Looks like down is Valentin Paripont. That's not good. Lenny Martinez still has 10 seconds. Hauling his way towards the next climb. He looks like he's absolutely over the limit, never mind on it. Van der Poel still looks cool, calm and collected in yellow. Alongside him is Quinn Simmons. He looks easy as well. Vengergaard moving up. A little grimace on the face of Vengergaard. Roglic moves up. He looks easy. Ben O'Connor goes backwards. O'Connor is on the limit. This could be the end of his general classification hopes. Look at the way this race is going. Campenaerts goes to the front, Vengergaard onto the wheel, Jorgensen just behind. They take over from UAE. Wout van Aert is there as well, and the sudden surge has put them now in control of the front of this peloton. Here she is now there. Almeida is there. So is Narvaez. And all the top names are there. But we've lost O'Connor. We've lost Felix Gall. They will not get back now. 800 metres, full-on, big ramp. Narvaez gets ready to strike. Van der Poel moves up on the wheel of Pogacar. Vengergaard is there as well. And Pogacar suddenly is the rider who is in the ascendancy on this climb. Right there, Almeida continues. Pogacar gets out the saddle. And here is the moment of the first attack of the world champion. Pogacar goes 21 kilometres an hour, 14%, and immediately onto his wheel goes Jonas Vengergaard.
And Mathieu van der Poel hanging out there, not too far, not drifting too much, but the last 200 metres are absolutely brutal. Oh, Van der Poel, he sits down. That's it, it's done for Mathieu van der Poel. Remco Evenepoel now takes the front. Oscar in the wheel and Buckland behind him. Jorgensen in that group too, but look at these two go.
Look at Pogacar, and Vengergaard can't go. Vengergaard cracks as well and lets Pogacar go, and he's almost at the top of the climb. Vengergaard looked around to see if anyone was there, and he just can't go. Now he has to fight his way back onto the wheel of Pogacar. Can he do it? Hauling himself, pedal rev by pedal rev, back onto the wheel of the world champion, who I don't think realised that Vengergaard had left a gap. Pogacar looks around, he wants Vengergaard to contribute.
And he does.
Vengergaard is prepared to. Remco Evenepoel said, I don't want to go on the attack solo. I'm just going to think about the time trial tomorrow, but he's got no option. He has to close the gap, and Remco Evenepoel is going to close the gap, but he's going to bring Mathieu van der Poel back into the game. Jorgensen attacks now, goes clear to try and win the stage for Visma Lease Bike, leans it into whoa. He almost had to go onto that and use it as a velodrome banking. Jorgensen going for glory. João Almeida trying to hunt him down. Behind him is Remco Evenepoel. Mathieu van der Poel moves up. We're 700 metres from the top and the finish line. Jorgensen is still there, but the yellow jersey is getting ready for another stage win. João Almeida starts the sprint. Pogacar is tucked in on the wheel. He wants his 100th win of his career this afternoon. On his wheel is Vengergaard. Gregoire is getting ready to strike. 3 hours and 50 minutes. This final part of this stage has been one where you get the popcorn out and you enjoy a blockbuster. Remco Evenepoel is being a little bit distanced on the run-in. He needs to close the gap into the finish. Here goes Mathieu van der Poel. Pogacar wants his 100th win. Vengergaard is there. It's going to be yet again Pogacar. Pogacar goes for the finish line now. It's going to be 100 career wins. Tadej Pogacar, stage number 4. Van der Poel just couldn't go, could he? Almeida will get fined for that, for celebrating, unfortunately.
I forgot about that law.
Yeah.
I think that's one of the stupid laws.
It is, but he'll be fined.
Was there something that has to be 2 hands up, no? Or one hand is good?
One hand is not good either, I think. He'll be fined and moved to the back of the group.